Hi, welcome to Ready, Set, English. Today we're going to learn a hand washing song. I want you guys to wash your hands and follow along and sing with me. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Wet, wet, wet your hands, do it just like me. Splash the water on your hands, now repeat with me. Scrub, scrub, scrub your hands, do it just like me. Add the soap and scrub, scrub, scrub. And now repeat with me. Rinse, rinse, rinse your hands, rinse them just like me. Rinse with lots of water and now repeat with me. Dry, dry, dry your hands with me. Use a nice clean towel and now your hands are clean.